everyone, this is Monica here from Jiahe. Today, I'm going to introduce you one of our bar table set. Look at the table top. It's finished with a hand-painted silver color, which is very stylish design. And the table base is made of metal tubes. They are gray color powder coated. The stools are upholstered with high quality PU leather. With its saddle-shaped seat and thick foam cushion, the stool seat can provide a perfect seating experience. As you can see, all the metal frames can be knocked down. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.